Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading tech-enabled real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at prestige Jindal City, which is located at Tumkur Road, Bangalore. So friends, this is the location of the project, and here you can see the nearby surroundings where the project is located. This project is built across 32.37 acres of land, and it offers 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments for the residents. This project consists of 15 number of towers having 31 floors and more than 3500 units for the residents. This project is also having 88% open area, and the possession of this project will be given by December 2021. So now we'll give you the interior view of 2 BHK sample flat, and here we have the living room. This is the view of the modular kitchen. So you can take the view of the beautiful designed living room, which is having an attached balcony. Now this is the bedroom area. Which is having an attached washroom. As you can see, this is a very spacious bedroom, and here we have the wardrobe section, wooden wardrobe. That's the common washroom, and here comes the second bedroom of this flat. As you can see, it is also very spacious, beautifully designed. Here we have the wooden wardrobe, glass fitted. So this is the entire view of the flat. Now we'll give you the interior view of another 2 BHK flat. Now we have entered into the living room. So this is the living room with attached balcony. Here comes the kitchen, the modular kitchen, which is also having an attached balcony. So this is the whole interior of the living room, and now we are moving towards the bedroom area. So here comes the first bedroom, and over there you can see the wardrobe. And here comes the attached washroom. Beautifully designed and spacious. Here comes the common washroom of the flat. And this we have the second bedroom. As you can see, the wooden work very well crafted. Now we will give you the interior view of a 3 BHK sample flat. So friends, here comes the living room with attached balcony. Here you can see the fantastic interior with wooden work. Now we are moving towards the kitchen, and this is the modular kitchen. With separate utility area. Now we have entered into the bedroom area. And here comes the attached washroom. So this we have the common washroom of the 3 BHK sample flat. And here comes the another bedroom. As you can see, the rooms are very spacious and beautifully designed. Now we have entered into the master bedroom of the flat. Which is having an attached washroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.